Hello beautiful, hello, how are you doing? Thank you for tuning into my channel. We're doing our hair today and let's get into it. My hair is damp because I washed my hair yesterday night. After washing my hair, I applied styling cream from Pattern Beauty, rosemary oil strengthening leave-in conditioner from Cornrows, and for my scalp, I applied Blue Magic Originals. That's all in my hair. Then I put my hair in 6 twists and that's about it. While I'm installing my protector style today, I'm going to be adding some almond dry twisting butter from Cornrows and some hair and scalp balm from Sacred on my hair. And of course, a little bit of water just in case my hair gets a little bit dry because I like manipulating my hair damp. You know this. All right, let's get into it. First things first, I'm going to show you how I'm parting my hair to do this hairstyle. And the first thing is to divide my hair into 2. And then we'll go ahead and divide it into 4 because we want to have where our ponytail is going to be in the middle. And then I'm going to show you a trick because, you know, for this hairstyle, all your cornrows meet in the middle and we don't want it to hurt or lose hair there. So what I'm doing is basically taking a little bit from each of my 4 sections where they meet in the middle, and then I'm going to cornrow that. I'm spraying a little bit of water to make it damp and then applying my moisturizers to my hair, detangle, and then we plait. This method when doing this kind of hairstyle just helps you save your hair and then you don't lose hair. At the end of the day, again, it's a protective style. We want to maintain the length we have, protect our scalp, and not lose 1 inch of hair. Look at my hair! Oh my god, look at the length. It's so beautiful. What a good way to start. I told you we're doing a braided updo, right? Anyways, so I'm going to start from here, and the style I'm doing is sort of like, imagine I did a slick down and it had like a little bit of a center part. It'll all come this way and go in. So that's the idea, that's the vibe. We're gonna try and see. So I'm gonna start parting from here. Hopefully parting the front of this hairstyle shouldn't be a problem at all because I'm just taking it step by step, using a mirror to check, and it seems straightforward enough. Again, I spray water to make my hair damp, and then I add my moisturizers to my hair to make it softer. Then I detangle before I actually start braiding. Now, I would always let you know that once you're cornrowing your hair, make sure you don't pull it because you don't want to lose the hair at your edges, and be gentle and braid gently. I can't say this enough. Usually I like to flat twist my hair, but I just thought, you know what, we're doing a different hairstyle. I haven't done this kind of hairstyle in probably like 2 years now, actually. When I'm starting to cornrow the front of my edges, I just leave a little bit of like a brush so that I don't lose my edges. I know I keep saying this about the edges, but I can't say this enough, trust me. And then if you're doing this hairstyle yourself and you're doing this cornrow, make sure you don't do it too tight because you don't want to have a headache when you're done. And then as I go along, I'm just making sure the lines that I'm creating are quite clean. But because I'm not doing too many cornrows, it's actually quite easy to do. This is definitely an arm workout. What? I haven't done this kind of hairstyle in a very long time. So I have forgotten how much of a workout it is. But we started and we move. Oh my goodness, I've only done what? How many? 5? And I'm already thinking about the consequences of my actions. But I know it'll be worth it. And it'll be beautiful and it'll be nice. So I just gotta persevere and just keep braiding. I was thinking about twisting the ends of my hair before, but I was like, nah, let me just cornrow it to the end. It'll give like a seamless look. But once I get to the very tippy tip of my hair, I just twist it. That way it'll be easier to unravel when I'm ready to unravel. But yeah, so 5 done on this side. I have another 1 to be done, but I want to do the 5 on this side. That way I would have 2 on each side so I can equally divide them. And I'm gonna do that off camera and I'll be right back. Left side done, right side done. I have to clean up the line a little bit. That's why I held off on it, and I was right. It's not really centered, so I have to just center that line and clean it up some. Yup. Now while doing this hairstyle, my brain is telling me that, oh, we have 2 left. Well, after this one, we have 1 left. But that's a lie because we still have the entire back to do. Oh my goodness, I'm getting tired, but we move. Oh my goodness. Whew. That was an arm workout. And that's just halfway. I have 12 in front total, 6 on the side, 6 on the side. Literally, me doing my hair in this hairstyle is like top tier. It's a high level because this means I have to cornrow upwards. I know I can do it. It's just gonna hurt my arms and I'm sort of dreading it. But the earlier I start, the earlier I finish, you know? I also feel like I would get 5 on the side and 5 on the side to make it 10. Let's see how it goes. I don't want to do it, but I gotta do it. Okay, let's do it. Let me put this out of the way so I can see the back clearly. Oh, look at my little bun. Okay, now I'm excited about the hairstyle. Oh my god, parting my lines for the back, I feel like is gonna be a challenge. Okay, not bad, not bad. I feel like you might not be able to see clearly what I'm doing, but oh, you can see a little bit, right? You get the gist. Okay, so braiding upwards is not even a challenge, it's parting the lines. That was not half bad. That was not half bad at all. My poor arms.
Oh my god. This hair is so beautiful.
Thank you. Look at
Khadija, are you a winch?
You would know.
You can do this hair by yourself.
I know, right? I wish I could take my head off, put it on my leg, and then do it. Because my arms and my neck are hurting. But I wanted to do it so that my hair wouldn't touch my piercing that I just
Yeah,
did.
the new one.
And I have a ponytail.
Beautiful.
Thank you, my mana.
Maybe you will finish it before they come. So
I
that
know.
they will say, oh, Auntie Khadija, your hair is so beautiful. These grandchildren of mine.
I know. Thank you, my mana. While I was in the cornrows upwards at the back of my head, I actually realized it's not that bad to do. It's like riding a bicycle. I mean, I haven't done cornrows upwards in like almost 2 years, but it was like I'd been doing it for a while. I absolutely love the results and how easy it is for my fingers to remember how to do it. Okay, so this one, I have to be very careful because it's going directly from my nape all the way up. So I have to be careful when I'm braiding so I don't pull the hair. And look at it. Let me turn around so you can see what I'm seeing. I wish I could explain to you the technique in which I am doing the cornrows at the back of my head and making the cornrows go upwards. Oh, remember to pull down the edge of your cornrow at the back just so it's not tight. Again, we don't want to lose hair there. I really hope you can get what I'm doing from the video. Oh my god, yeah, it was an arm workout. My neck hurts, but we move. And also, if you're looking for how to braid upwards, if you want to learn, let me know in the comments. And I think I could actually do a video showing a tutorial on how to braid upwards. No gatekeeping here. This is 2026. We need to learn how to do our own hair ourselves, okay? And that was the last one. Oh my goodness. You know when you do your hair and you're like, is it giving? Is it giving? And you put on makeup? Yeah, let me go do that. Absolutely love it. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad that I trusted the process, that I persevered, and I got new hair. Who this? And that's all, folks. Thank you so much for watching this video to the very end. I appreciate it. You know the deal. Please press that like button at the bottom so you can actually like this video. I know you want to do it. If you haven't subscribed already, please press that subscribe button because it goes a great deal. We're trying to level up in 2026. And also, we're not greedy here. Share this video to everyone you know as well. I would appreciate it a lot. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.